Today we're taking a look at the Fanxiang S880 1TB NVMe PCI Express Gen 4 1TB solid-state drive. Thanks to Fanxiang for sending this over for us to take a look at. The S880 series of solid-state drives is rated for up to 7,300 megabytes per second in terms of read speeds. You can pick these drives up in 1, 2, and 4 terabyte capacities. The S880 is a strong performing TLC drive featuring an SLC cache as well as HMB or host memory buffer technology. HMB replaces the need for traditional DRAM on solid-state drives by utilizing a small amount of system memory. Usually it's somewhere around 64 megabytes, so it's barely noticeable. This does have a huge impact on performance and endurance though. As far as thermal management goes on this drive, it does come with one of those smaller thermal stickers, but it does not include a heatsink. A benefit of this is that combining this drive with the fact that it's one side or single-sided, you can fit this drive into a gaming PC, a PS5, or a laptop with ease. In my opinion, this drive is really aimed at gamers who want a really fast drive for the PC or the PS5. It would work fine in a workstation as well, and you could definitely edit videos for YouTube and Twitch on this. This drive is utilizing TLC NAND. TLC NAND these days is typically reserved for people who are looking for higher performance applications, since you can purchase QLC drives at a lower cost. They're not quite as fast, and they don't quite have the same endurance, so a TLC drive like this one is definitely a little bit higher quality. I set this drive up in my Ryzen 9700X RTX 4070 Super gaming PC on my test bench. All of the testing that I conducted was run directly off of this drive running the operating system, which was Windows 11. I ran Crystal Disk Mark 8 to get an idea of the read and write performance, and I ran it in 3 different scenarios. A relatively empty or fresh Windows 11 installation, then I filled it up to about 54% full and reran the testing, and then I did it again over 80%. With the drive relatively empty in the first test, I saw about 7,400 megabytes per second sequential read speeds, which is excellent, and as far as write speeds go, I saw about 6,500 megabytes per second. For the next test, I filled the drive up to about 54%, and I saw no change in the read speeds. It was still averaging about 7,400 megabytes per second. Again, basically the same. The sequential write speed was about 6,450 megabytes per second. That's still excellent performance in my opinion, and this is representative of when you have a couple of your games and applications installed on the drive and you've been using it for a little while. For the last benchmark run, I filled the drive up to about 83%. The drive produced about 7,400 megabytes per second in terms of the sequential read speeds, and again, we saw an average of about 6,450 megabytes per second for the sequential write speeds. As we can see, the SLC cache and the HMB technology are crucial to performance and endurance, and they really make this drive a slick drive since it is utilizing TLC NAND underneath. Even with the drive starting to get really full and the SLC cache starting to be exhausted, the TLC performance is quite good in terms of writes. The 1 terabyte version of this drive, which is what I have here today, is rated for about 700 terabytes written, which is super good for a 1 terabyte drive. This drive will absolutely outlast your gaming PC or your PS5, and you'll probably be able to take it over to the next PC or next console, maybe even a third. If you want to opt for the 2 and the 4 terabyte drives, the endurance rating goes up to 1,400 terabytes written and then 2,800 terabytes written for that 4 terabyte drive. That's kind of insane and one of the highest endurance ratings that I've personally seen on a drive that I've had. Again, just to highlight, these endurance ratings are way better than QLC. You will see QLC drives coming in at a lower cost than TLC drives. You are saving a couple of bucks per terabyte, but if you really want that read and write performance for an incredibly fast system and a really long lifespan and endurance, you definitely want to look for TLC drives. In my opinion, this drive is plenty fast to be your operating system drive, run games off of it, or edit videos. And again, this drive is perfect for PCs, PS5 consoles, and laptops. At the time that I'm reviewing this solid-state drive, the S880 is coming in for about 80 bucks on Amazon, and I think that's a relatively good price, and it gets even better if it goes on sale. So if you're looking to upgrade or building a new system, I would definitely consider some of these solid-state drives from the S880 series from Fanxiang. If this video helped you decide on which solid-state drive you're going to buy for your next rig, I'd appreciate it if you could drop a like on the video. That tells YouTube to share this video with other people who are researching SSDs. If you're into gaming and the occasional home lab video, or just testing like this, get subscribed to the channel and ring that bell for notifications. Until next time, keep on gaming.